Boxable is one of those ideas that sounds obvious once you hear it, and that is usually where the conversation starts. What people keep asking is whether this is an all-in moment or just something to keep an eye on. When this comes up, the reasons people point to are familiar. Housing has become less attainable and less flexible. Cities are growing, land is limited, and construction costs keep rising. In the middle of that pressure, one company is asking a very simple question. What if homes were built the way cars are built? Traditional housing has not changed much in decades. Homes are still built slowly, outdoors, dependent on weather, labor availability, and long timelines. Costs stack up before anyone even turns the key. At the same time, cities are facing shortages of workforce housing, emergency housing, and affordable units that still need to meet strict building codes. The challenge is not just affordability, it is speed, consistency, and scale. Boxabl was created to rethink housing from the ground up. Instead of building homes piece by piece on site, Boxabl designs foldable, factory-built housing units that can be transported, unfolded, and installed quickly. These homes are modern in design, built indoors for quality control, code-compliant for major U.S. cities, and designed to be more affordable than traditional construction. The flagship unit, the Casita, arrives nearly complete, with walls, floors, systems, and finishes already in place. With available financing options, the monthly cost of a Boxabl Casita can come in lower than many local rental prices, offering a modern, code-compliant living space with the potential to build equity rather than pay rent. What truly sets Boxabl apart is how these homes are made. Boxabl approaches housing the way the automotive industry approaches vehicles, through factory efficiency, automation, and repeatable processes. Processes are standardized. Automation supports consistency and speed, and assembly happens indoors. This allows Boxabl to reduce waste, shorten build timelines, and aim for cost predictability, something traditional housing struggles to deliver. The goal is not custom craftsmanship on every unit. The goal is reliable, scalable housing at volume. Timing matters. Housing shortages are no longer theoretical. Municipalities, employers, and agencies are actively searching for solutions that can be deployed quickly. Boxabl's approach has drawn attention because it addresses workforce housing needs, temporary housing, disaster relief, and urban infill opportunities. This is not a concept on paper. Boxabl is a response to an active, growing demand. One reason Boxabl stands out is early institutional interest. The company has fulfilled contracts and pilot programs with government and institutional partners, a meaningful signal in housing where compliance and reliability matter. For investors and observers, this kind of validation suggests the product does meet real standards. The model works beyond theory, and the market is not purely speculative. Government engagement does not guarantee success, but it often confirms relevance. If automation increases and production lines mature, the economics of factory housing can improve significantly over time. And Boxabl's long-term vision centers on scale. The opportunity lies in volume production, reduced per-unit costs, and faster delivery cycles. This is not a luxury housing play. It is an attempt to modernize the foundational industry of home building. Boxabl plans to enter public markets through a SPAC merger. At present, shares of FGMC represent the potential path to ownership, converting to BXBL if the merger is completed. As with many early-stage companies, the long-term questions center on execution, particularly around manufacturing scale and sustained cost efficiency, even as the overall growth potential remains compelling. Using the Emerging Asset Viability Index, a framework designed to assess early-stage opportunities across innovation, timing, and execution, Boxabl earns a 7.9 out of 10. This reflects a meaningful problem, a credible, differentiated solution, and important execution still ahead. Boxabl represents a modern response to a very real housing challenge, blending design, automation, and speed in a way few housing companies attempt. Whether it becomes a category-defining company will depend on discipline, scale, and whether the market is ready to adopt a different way of building and living. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, feel free to like or share. And if there is something that has been on your radar lately, leave a comment. We would love to hear about it.